Welcome back to Daily Driven Alpha. Thought we'd do a quick video short on torsion bars for the rear boot. Now there's a bit of information out there and some of it is incorrect. Right, let's have a look and see why something so simple often baffles many of us. You've ostensibly got two pigeon pair pieces of sprung wire that have an L-shaped bend in them, run all the way along through there, and then have a hook that go in behind the hinge. So you'll see there, it's probably easier with a bit of shadow, but that hook comes down behind and then hooks through the hinge like that. So part of the issue that we've had in the past is that there are a lot of people who have been installing these and telling people that you run this down behind the hinge here and then down into the hook. That is incorrect. It doesn't give you the right torsion. It also gets in the way, so and it's unsightly. So what you have, if you can see there, is behind the bump stop, make sure you replace these or put them in if they're not there. You have this torsion spring, this rod that runs, and it goes through this little notch that's cut in the bodywork. That retains it here, and it's a locator, and then that gives it the position to get into the bottom of that hinge section. So that's how they go. They're exactly the same, left and right. A little bit of a tip when you're installing them: thread this piece in first behind here, located in the notch. Make sure that it's located fully in into the holes here in the hinge, and then bring it back, and on the very end get a nice soft cloth, wrap it round, and this will be hanging down, this will be hanging loose. Bend under tension this piece of steel up against the parcel shelf here, and the reason you use a cloth is that you can see I've already scratched the paintwork here on the other one before I did that. What it does is it softens it, and you can position it behind this divider here. So let that get into position, and then you take this piece of steel that's hanging down, and with a little bit of force and maneuvering, you have to then pull it sort of back a fraction and press it up so that it clips into place, and then you can take that cloth and yank it out from the spring, and presto, it's in position. So that's just a little bit of a short video on these torsion bar springs for the hinges. One other thing quickly, make sure that you've got your captive spring washers on the ends of your pins here, and your pins at the top of the on the top of the hinge have to come in from the inside of the boot facing out. You don't have enough room going the other way, and then getting the captive spring washer on the other side is a bit of a pain. But anyway, that's it. So hope that's helped. Boot closed. So what that should give you is, when you release, you should get just a little lift, a little pop. It doesn't do anything wild and crazy, and then up you go, and that should sit nicely. Have a little bit, have a little bit of play there, but it doesn't move. So I hope that's helped, and please like, subscribe, share this with others, and I hope your projects are going well. Thanks for watching.